Hi everyone, welcome to our calming and distressing yoga with essential oils. So this is a yummy practice that you can relax your nerve system. If you are an essential oil lover as me, here is what we do. Having your diffuser ready before your practice. Today I'm using Neal's meditation blend for my diffusing. Of course, you'll follow the instructions of your diffuser. Couple of drops. Perfect. And this will make your environment smells amazing. And in addition, today I have another blend, which is a Relaxation Roller. How do we use this? The first thing I do normally is to put it on my wrist, basically wherever you can feel the pulse, and use the other wrist, just nicely smell. And then take your hands in front of you. Take a huge breath. Feel for the expansion of the back and the side ribs. That way you are maximizing the lung capacity. And you breathe in the nice smell. In this blend, there are some citrus oils like bergamot, frankincense, lavender, sandalwoods, vetiver. All those nice smells that make you feel calming. And all those smells that when you feel good, you know that that kind of essential oil will work for your body at that moment. And when we smell the nice smell, it stimulates our amygdala, which sending distress signal, calming signal into the brain. After a couple of more breaths, and gently relax your hands on the knees. Keep the shoulders away from the ears. You can gently open your eyes, just look at this pranayama. This is called sitali. It's a very calming and distressing pranayama. The tip of your tongue go onto the inside of your upper teeth. So forming two tunnels on the side of your tongue. When you inhale, go through that two tunnels. Exhale, close your mouth, gently do exhalation. Now the cooling breath will help you to calm yourself down. Do at least 4 more rounds. And then gently open your eyes. Coming into a Badasana, soles of your feet further away from your sit bones. And this is the time you can take your roller again. Massage your roller on the inner edges of your feet while you are doing Badasana forward bend. This line of your feet, I hope you can see the inner edges, is corresponding to your spine. So with this massaging and using the oil to help you, you relax the entire spine and breathe into that spine. Take a huge breath in, feel the breath travel through the entire spine from the nostrils, go all the way up towards the crown of your head and went down along the spine, coming into your sacrum, sit bones. Stay in this position at least 3 to 4 breaths. long, smooth, deep breath. And then gently curl yourself back up. If you're okay to stay with your legs like this, stay. Otherwise, you can change to cross-leg position. I'm going back to Badasana. Side bend. Inhale, reach your left arm up. Exhale, coming into a gentle side bend. Relax your neck. You can look down towards the mat. Breathe into the side you're stretching. And the next inhale, gently the upper arm go towards the hip and feel for the stretch on the side of your neck. Use your breath, help you to relax the neck and shoulder area like this. And the next inhale, reach through your palms, pull yourself back. Use your hand to help your neck come back to center. Other side, next inhale, opposite arm up, reach long. Exhale, gentle side bend. The smell of your oils is still around you, so keep your breath deep. Relax the neck and shoulder. And the next inhale, roll your upper arm towards the other side. Stay in this position. Breathe into the neck and shoulder. Use your breath to massage yourself, massage your body internally. And the next inhale, reach through your straight arm, pull yourself back. Use the hands, come back to center. And then gently use your hands, especially since we're staying in this position for a long time. So use your hands to help your knees come back to center. And turn onto your side, coming into hands and knees. Tabletop position. Check that your wrist, shoulder align, knee and your hip align. Couple of rounds of cat and cow. Inhale, back bend face. Exhale, press down. And then arch your spine towards the ceiling. And come back to center. Next pose is a calf stretch. From this position, reach your leg back. Moving forward a little bit. Left foot back. Huge breath in, lengthen the chest. When you exhale, reach your heel back. Feel the stretch on your calf. A gentle push in your hands. And breathe into that stretch at the back of your calf muscle. And you also feel some stretch at your hamstring, the back of your thighs. Inhale, come back. Change leg. Huge breath in, lengthen first. Exhale, reach back. It is completely under your control how far you want to stretch your calf. So feel that degree of stretch that is comfortable for you, and you can still breathe into that stretch. Inhale, come back. From this position, transition into pigeon. Lift your left foot forward. Coming into pigeon. Reach the back leg long. Sometimes I like to tuck the toes and reach my heel back. Feel for the stretch. And some of us maybe need lifting a little bit. So you can put something under your front hip. I'm turning around so that you can see this transition. If you have a cushion at home, this would work too. From this position, you can come down as low as you need to. Open your palms in front of you and let your neck relax. You should be able to still smell your essential oils. Breathe into the entire spine, especially reaching towards your sacrum area. In pigeon, relax your sacrum, because this is the opposite of our brain, of our skull. So this relaxation directly sends calming signal into your brain. Stay in this pose for at least 5 breaths. And then you're coming back up. Can go back to all fours, or some of us maybe want to go to downward facing dog. Then change to the other side. Reach the back leg long, coming down. Stay for 5 breaths. Take a huge breath in, feel for expansion of your rib cage sideways in all directions. When your exhale goes soften in your spine, in your sacrum. Enjoy the smell of the oil and go inside yourself. And gently come out. The next pose is called the seal pose. Before I come in, I like to roll this blend on the inner elbows and then coming into belly down. Reach the legs away from your lower back, lengthen the lower back and coming up onto your elbows. Reach the leg back, having your forearms either parallel to each other or you can gently interlace your fingers. Let the chest sink forward, open the shoulders. Gently tuck the tailbone towards your heels so that you're not compressing your lower back. And since the elbow point is very close to me, I relax my neck down so that I can enjoy more the smell. Take a huge breath in. Exhale, relax your chest down, shoulders away from the ears. But your legs stay vibrant to protect your lower back. You can stay here 5 to 10 breaths. Enjoy. Enjoy a time for yourself. When you need to come out of the pose, gently move your elbows to the side. Pat your forehead. Stay down for a couple of breaths. And then gently press yourself back up. The next pose is a supported bridge. You have options. If you have a yoga block at home, use that. Otherwise, any cushion at home would help you to elevate your sacrum. I will demonstrate both. Lie down on your back. Walk your heels towards your buttocks. Use the middle finger, gently tap. Then you know your feet is about the correct position. And gently come back up into bridge. Inhale, finding the sensation that you're lifting the chest bone towards the nose. When you exhale, press down with your feet. Gently lift your buttocks up, sacrum up. And then move the block under the sacrum. The block should be supporting the sacrum bone. It shouldn't be any pokey, there shouldn't be any pokey sensation. It's supported very steady. And in case you need to use your cushion at home, same thing. This is your supported bridge. I'm going to use the cushion. Stay here for a couple of breaths. Every time you inhale, feel for entire rib cage goes long towards your head. Every time exhale, press down with your feet. Feel the support of the sacrum on top of the block or your cushion. After a couple of breaths, press down with your right foot, have your left leg towards the chest, and then the other leg follow. When you're ready, reach your legs up. This position with your legs up is a very calming, downregulating pose. If you want to unwind from your busy day, or just want to have a good sleep, before you go to bed, you can do this pose with your legs on the wall. Take a couple of deep breaths, as long as you can afford. Again, every time inhale, feel for the sensation that you are opening the ribs sideways. Every time exhale, finding the softness in your entire body. Your legs is not rigid, they're just swinging in the air. When you need to come back down, one leg first, and then the other leg. To release yourself from the support, anchor down with your feet, press down with the feet, lift the buttocks, sacrum off, remove your support, gently curl yourself back. Before going into Savasana, there is another part of your body you can apply for some calming oils. It's called yin tang, in the center of your eyebrows. This is the point for calming the spirit. So before we're going into Savasana, I apply some oils, gentle circular motion in between your eyebrows. Take a huge breath, take in that smell. Exhale everything out. And then gently go down, finding your position for Savasana. Open the legs wide as your mat. Lie down with your spine in a neutral position. Have your palms open up towards the ceiling. This will help you to open the shoulder girdle. Maybe you need to gently tuck the tailbone, lengthen the lower back. Now, before you completely settle down into Savasana, take a huge breath in. Gently count 1, 2, 3. And then your exhalation will be twice as long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And do 3 more rounds. Your exhalation is twice as long as your inhale. After that, go back to your regular rhythm of breathing. Keep it soft and deep and slow. Stay in this position as long as you would like to. Stay in this stillness. When you need to come out, first deepen your breath. Let your breath to wake you up. And gentle movement, fingers, toes, ankles, wrist. Slowly bend your knees. Gently turn onto one side that's convenient for your place. Stay on this side for a couple of breaths. And then use your hand. Gently press yourself back up. Finding the comfortable sitting position, hands at heart. Humbly bow towards your hands. Take a huge breath in. You can still smell the oil. Enjoy your breath. Namaste.